Find or learn a new skill set if the one you have is not producing expected results. These are the sentiments of Mohammed Shahid, who had to close his handicraft business because of the pandemic and is now excelling in making kites. Kritika Kumar with this success story.
Born and raised in Suva, Mohammed Shahid always had a passion for kites, but it has now become his livelihood.
I closed my shop. Then I started my business as a kite. I was looking for the kite paper. We can't find any kite paper. I was really struggling making the color for the paper. Just can't do it. Then I don't know, how I get the talent. Then I get all these colors. I make my kite all different colors.
After being in the handicraft line for more than 40 years, the Kite King took a flight once again. Shahid's one-of-a-kind kites have become famous even outside the mainland.
I've got a fixed lines to wear, but like online, like I put in the Facebook, right? Maybe in the buy and sell. Then guys, they call me, I make special order for them. Like what you want. You want plain kite or what you want? Even I send it to Lambasa too. Just 2 weeks ago, I sent Lambasa.
The 63-year-old says the rains and cold weather also affect the business.
Something I'm just doing that, just roll over, no? It's rainy weather, you can't sell kite. No one's going to go and buy the kite now, all right? Maybe whole of this week rain, then nothing to do. But still, I'm going to do something, make some kite and just put it over, no? Even I don't supply to the shop.
Confined to their homes due to the coronavirus lockdown, both Fijians have suddenly found a passion for kite flying, which turned into a positive response for Shahid.
If you try to do anything, you can do it. And if you're going to sit down to wait for something to come, no.
Shahid believes life is difficult no matter what, but hard work and commitment make it a lot easier. Kritika Kumar, FBC News.